Melania got U.S. visa for her extraordinary ability that nobody was aware of. Some Americans claim that President Donald Trump is anti-immigrant. That is not true because his wife Melania is an immigrant. The difference is that she is a legal immigrant. The next topic hovering around her status as a citizen is questions asked as to how First Lady Melania Trump came into our great nation and how she was able to get a green card back in 2001. A problem which we have now reached the answer for. She reportedly got a green card through a program specifically for people with extraordinary ability. The Washington Post is reporting that back in 2001 Melania was given a permanent resident green card through the EB-1 visa program. A visa program that is coined the Einstein Visa, which is reserved for only a very select few who can bring unique abilities to our nation which stand out from the typical immigrant. In March 2001 Melania was granted a green card in this elite EB-1 program, which was designed for renowned academic researchers, multinational business executives or those in other fields, such as Olympic athletes and Oscar-winning actors, who have demonstrated sustained national and international acclaim. Melania's credentials included elite runway shows in Europe, a Camel cigarette billboard ad in Times Square and even a spot in the coveted swimsuit edition of Sports Illustrated, which featured her on the beach hugging a 6-foot inflatable whale. According to the State Department, the year First Lady Melania Trump got her legal residency she was only one of 5 people from Slovenia to receive green cards under the EB-1 program. Although this is a 100% valid way for a model to get a visa to stay in the US, I am sure this controversy won't stop and the liberals will keep trying to inject poison into the narrative until they finally manage to get something on Trump. Not unlike how the coyote has been trying to catch the roadrunner for decades. But for now, the mystery of the First Lady's legal status in the US is officially explained. Are you glad we have a First Lady like Melania Trump? Via U.S. Citizen and Immigration Services. Employment-based immigration, first preference EB-1. You may be eligible for an employment-based, first preference visa if you have an extraordinary ability, are an outstanding professor or researcher, or are a multinational executive or manager. Each occupational category has certain requirements that must be met. You must be able to demonstrate extraordinary ability in the sciences, arts, education, business, or athletics through sustained national or international acclaim. Your achievements must be recognized in your field through extensive documentation. No offer of employment is required. You must meet 3 of 10 criteria below, or provide evidence of a one-time achievement, that is, Pulitzer, Oscar, Olympic medal. Outstanding professors and researchers. You must demonstrate international recognition for your outstanding achievements in a particular academic field. You must have at least 3 years' experience in teaching or research in that academic area. You must be entering the United States in order to pursue tenure or tenure-track teaching or comparable research position at a university or other institution of higher education. You must include documentation of at least 2 listed below and an offer of employment from the prospective U.S. employer. Multinational manager or executive. You must have been employed outside the United States in the 3 years preceding the petition for at least 1 year by a firm or corporation, and you must be seeking to enter the United States to continue service to that firm or organization. Your employment must have been outside the United States in a managerial or executive capacity and with the same employer, an affiliate, or a subsidiary of the employer. Your petitioning employer must be a U.S. employer. Your employer must have been doing business for at least 1 year, as an affiliate, a subsidiary, or as the same corporation or other legal entity that employed you abroad. Criteria for demonstrating extraordinary ability. You must meet 3 out of the 10 listed criteria below to prove extraordinary ability in your field. Evidence of receipt of lesser nationally or internationally recognized prizes or awards for excellence. Evidence of your membership in associations in the field which demand outstanding achievement of their members. Evidence of published material about you in professional or major trade publications or other major media. Evidence that you have been asked to judge the work of others, either individually or on a panel. Evidence of your original scientific, scholarly, artistic, athletic, or business-related contributions of major significance to the field. Evidence of your authorship of scholarly articles in professional or major trade publications or other major media. Evidence that your work has been displayed at artistic exhibitions or showcases. Evidence of your performance of a leading or critical role in distinguished organizations. Evidence that you command a high salary or other significantly high remuneration in relation to others in the field. Evidence of your commercial successes in the performing arts. Examples of documentary evidence that a person is an outstanding professor or researcher. Evidence of receipt of major prizes or awards for outstanding achievement. Evidence of membership in associations that require their members to demonstrate outstanding achievement. Evidence of published material in professional publications written by others about the alien's work in the academic field. Evidence of participation, either on a panel or individually, as a judge of the work of others in the same or allied academic field. Evidence of original scientific or scholarly research contributions in the field. Evidence of authorship of scholarly books or articles, in scholarly journals with international circulation, in the field. Application process. Extraordinary ability. You may petition for yourself by filing a Form I-140, Petition for Alien Worker. Outstanding professors and researchers, your employer must file a Form I-140, Petition for Alien Worker. Multinational manager or executive, your employer must file a CIS Form I-140, Petition for Alien Worker.